Hey, how you doing? Justin here. Today I want to give you some tips on memorizing easy songs because you don't want to have to carry your songbook with you everywhere you go. There's going to be a time when you're at a party or someone's got a guitar and asks you to play a song and you go, I don't know any songs. I can't remember any of my songs without my songbook. No, that's never going to happen to you because you're going to figure out some songs that are really, really simple that have only got a couple of chords that you can definitely remember. Now, it is really important that you pick songs that you like, so I'm not going to try and go through a whole lot in the lesson, but I will give you some hints of some very popular choices, ones that work really well at parties that are very easy to remember even after a few beers. I'll stick them in the lesson text below, just what the song is and the basic chords there and some tips on how to remember them. But basically, you just want to think about what the chord order is, what the chord progression is, and only pick songs where it's very, very repetitive. Okay, don't go for the songs where there's lots of different kind of patterns in the verses and the choruses, because there are plenty of songs that are the same all of the way through, which are a lot easier to remember. And I'm not saying that you should only learn those songs, of course, that would be ridiculous, but you want to have a little collection of those that you can pull out at any time, that you can play from memory, so that if you find yourself at a party with a guitar and somebody wants you to play a song, you've got a few tunes that you can play comfortably and easily, and that you can actually remember them and not be having to scroll around on your phone trying to find chords on some website. That's not what you want. You want to get some of them in here. Longer term, you want to get the complicated ones in there as well. But in these early stages, you don't want to put too much pressure on yourself. Maybe pick a couple of harder ones, but make sure you've got a repertoire of, I don't know, 4 or 5 songs that are very, very simple to do with, easy to remember, consistent, repetitive chord progressions, and make sure that you can remember them off by heart.